Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 4X, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint into the device. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from Settings scroll down to Lock Screen and Password, tap right here, and then at the top you'll see Add a Fingerprint, so just select it. And before you can add it, here you will need to set a different way of unlocking the device, so you have a choice between pattern, pin, or password. That's assuming you don't have one already set. If you do, then you should be able just to immediately jump to adding a fingerprint. So I'm just gonna select pattern. I'm gonna draw the pattern, and now I get to scan the fingerprint. So I'm gonna do that. And there it is. Now you can rename your fingerprint, so you know, for instance, which finger it is. I'm just gonna keep it as it is and just tap on done. And from here, if I lock the device now and I try to unlock it, I will need to either provide the pattern, which is one that we have set, or just tap it with my finger on the back like so, and it also unlocks automatically. So that is how you add a fingerprint. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.